Amsterdam, here we come. We're on the train, we just got our tickets. They're like Oyster cards kind of. And we are on our way to the hostel. We have to get a boat to where we're staying. No, it's like a ferry boat. Yeah. It's little tiny ferry. No. These trains are so nice compared to the London tubes. Like, they're not comparable. These are so nice. Like, I swear the seats are leather. Or, yeah, I think the seats are leather. We're gonna go out tonight, which we planned on the plane. We're gonna go out and we're gonna wait for Molly because she has the flight after. So we've just come outside and everybody is on bikes. Like, what? This is so cool. So we actually have a bike tour on Saturday. So I'm super excited for that because I went bike riding. We did bikes in Bali and it was like the best thing ever. Here with Clink Hostels, by the way, and I have a discount code for you all, which will be in the description. But we are on our way to Clink Hostels right now. We're so excited. Emma's actually stayed at Clink Hostels before, which is crazy, and now we're working with them, which is like, what? So yeah, we're just about to go to Clink Hostels. We are on the boat and we are making our way to Clink Hostels. Woo! So excited. We're so excited. On arrival, I think we're going to pick up our vouchers because we have vouchers for the different restaurants they have in the hostel. They have the Catalyst Cafe and the Zinc Bar. Literally the periodic table. I love science, so this is amazing. So guys, this is our room. I'm staying in this bed. I think Molly's gonna have either that one or that one. Emma is in this little bunk bed. And then we have a mirror here and our bathroom. Oh wow, this is really, really nice. So basically we have checked into our accommodation. This is with Clink Hostels. This whole video is gifted by Clink Hostels. Clink, sorry if I've said it wrong previously. I have dyslexia and yeah, it's not great. Emma, hello. You've seen her before, but you know. And we are waiting for Molly. And then we are going to get some food in the bar. I think I might have a falafel burger. We're gonna hit the city and go out. Yeah, we're both really excited. And then tomorrow we've done a whole plan of what we're gonna do. So yeah. So now we are going to the Zinc Bar and we've just been given some free drinks vouchers and we're gonna go see what we can order with our drinks vouchers. We are currently in the Zinc Bar and we have been given some free drinks vouchers, so we're going to spend them. We're going to use them. This is the menu. So I'm just deciding what I'm going to have. I don't drink alcohol, so the 0 alcohol ones is the homemade lemonade, safari apple, passion fruit splash, which sounds very good, and happiness. Yeah, I know what you mean. I think I'm going to go for the passion fruit splash, which contains pineapple juice, passion fruit puree and bitter lemon. And I've cut like half my face. So yeah, I'm here with Emma. Emma's going to go for, what's in that one?
In Amsterdam.
Emma drinks alcohol, so she's going to one of the alcoholic ones, but I'm not alcoholic. So this is the passion fruit splash from the Zinc Bar. It is €4 and Emma has the
Amsterdam.
This is the classic Amsterdam drink. I think I have more in mine, so go for the non-alcoholic. Very zesty. So guys, our food has come. I've got the falafel burger with chips. Molly's here by the way. Molly is here. She has a margarita and Emma has chicken something.
Oh, masala. Oh, nice.
Chicken basala. Just come down for breakfast, and this is Emma's. She's got a very questionable breakfast. She literally just put this here, and then she was like, wait, I'm coming back. Morning guys, so we are on a canal right now. I'm here with Molly and Emma. Molly did my hair in plaits like so quickly, so I've just...
Yeah, I think it took about 5 minutes.
Yeah, she did it really well.
Have an amazing time.
Thank you. And they have breakfast for us on board the boat, which is so cool. I kind of look like an egg with this out. I'm just realising how bad this looks. Okay, it's fine.
In the front, if you see plastic, and also help me to, because my view, I can't see the sides. Very good. So whatever. Okay. Thank you.
Oh, we need some blood.
That's unfortunate.
I wonder if there's a replacement.
Either way. Oh, that one. Oh,
So I'm wearing these gloves because we are going in the river. Well, we're not going in the river. That is not what we're doing. We're fishing. Oh, this looks good. Look.
Oh, the lighting's really nice.
Yeah, this is fresh orange juice. We are doing a clear up of the river. There isn't really much in the river though. This is really clean. Like compared to Bali,
Really?
this is clean.
That
Bali is
shocks me.
awful. Like there is so much litter in Bali. They should do some cleanups in Bali. Just finished on the canal boat tour. It was so much fun.
It actually really was. Yeah.
And the croissants were so good. It was by Starboard.
Yeah.
Starboard. And we had Mark and Paul.
Stephen. Where the heck was Mark from?
Wait, what were their names? My memory is so bad. Wait, who was it? Stephen and Paul. Okay, I got one name right. Come on, give me that. And we're now going to a museum. Mentioning no names.
Go to like the art museum. We're gonna go to the
art museum. We're doing the art
very
museum.
nice. And then go and just like generally have a walk around.
Just brought a strawberry Nutella crepe.
How good does it look?
It looks really, yeah, it looks really, really good. And we're gonna go find the Amsterdam sign. So I still have my hat on, and it's not as cold as it was this morning. But no, I don't, because there's like a breeze coming, kind of. But anyway, the other girls brought some flowers, and I just couldn't be bothered. I was actually stressing about uploading stories because we have to upload like a certain amount each day. So I was doing that whilst they were buying flowers, and this is the current situation. Emma's got her bouquet of flowers, and the man got, Molly has, oh, where's yours gone? Oh, Molly's got this tiny little plastic one. Oh wait, is it plastic? I was like, oh, it might break in my bag. It won't.
No.
Hang on, and then we're gonna try and get into the Van Gogh Museum. You're meant to pay, but we're gonna see if we can get it for free. We're just gonna see, because you know, you don't know unless you try. So yeah.
Put my hand on it, or like maybe hold it a bit more down and then.
Oh, I'm dead.
So guys, we are off to the ice bar. I'm wearing Emma's fleece thing because I'm wearing Emma's fleece thing because I have this reflective two-piece on that I was trying to wear in LA, but India told me not to wear it, so I'm wearing it. These glasses are so big for my face. I'm gonna have to put them down so you can actually see I have eyebrows.
Cocktails. I'm well
We're
excited.
so iconic. We're going to the ice bar. How basic. My thumb. I'm just being dramatic. The non-alcoholic versus the alcoholic.
Yay! Breakfast buffet, just go along the way, everything is in there. Both lines are the same, basically. We have the coffee, the juices, toaster at the end.
I would 211.
211.
Three.
There you go, you are 3 person.
Yeah.
You are all here. Okay?
Yeah,
Is it
thank
your first
you.
morning here?
No.
You know how to sit in your perfect.
Thank you. So this is my breakfast. I have the gingerbread again.
Like these kind of things, it's
So guys, I don't know if you can see me too well. We are about to go on the bike tour. I swear that is our bike tour leader. He's just cycled off. Nice colour, and they've got black. Because I need a basket because everyone keeps on putting their stuff in my bag. So I've requested a basket, and they've got some nice light bicycles whilst I have this heavy one. So yeah.
Wij staan niet in de weg, mevrouw. Als weinige toeristen, wij staan niet in de weg. Ja, maar ik ben ook toerist. Ja, goed zo. Heel veel plezier dan. Alsjeblieft. Canal we passed through the big lakes to the east of the city, and this has been created 1300 years ago, so this is a constant struggle against water because everything is a swamp.
Good.
That is good milk. Wow.
It tastes less like.
Everyone is trying milk, and I don't like milk, so I'm not drinking any.
Okay, both of them? Yes, please.
This is my dinner. It smells insane. There's lots of tofu in here, and I haven't actually ever tried tofu, so I will be deciding whether I like it. And they have the white noodles, which I tried these in Thailand, the white noodles, but it smells so good, doesn't it? Molly's like, I wish I had that. Not brought that, but like, she's got the burger, and Emma's eaten her pizza. Hey guys, so basically Molly and Emma have gone to watch the sunrise, but basically my food came a bit later. But today was so amazing. Ignore my hair, I've just taken it out from a bun because I washed it yesterday and I didn't want to hair dry. But I just wanted to come on here and say thank you to Clink Hostels for the most amazing stay. I'm currently in my little bunk at the moment. You can use my discount code, which is Sammy Loves Clink, for 20% off, and I'll leave it in the description. But yeah, it's honestly the most amazing hotel. Also, that stir fry I had, I didn't say like when I was in the diner, but it's literally the best thing that I have eaten for ages. It was honestly insane, and I tried tofu for the first time, and I love it. I actually love it. Amsterdam as a city in general is just crazy. It is so, so lovely. We did the bike tour earlier. I didn't get any clips of me on the bike because it was impossible. And I tried filming on my phone, and then I went into this ditch and I put it on my private Snapchat story. Me and Emma have a flight tomorrow at 7 AM. So we're getting up at 4 AM. It's currently 7 PM. So we're gonna go to bed like really soon. Really hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It has been so fun to film and come here with Clink, and I'm so super grateful. A disclaimer, everything in this video was gifted to us and we didn't pay for anything, but all opinions are our own. I'm not gonna lie to you. If I didn't like it, I would be completely honest, but it has been amazing. I just wanted to say I completely recommend these guys. They are amazing. Food in the hostel has been incredible. Cocktails at the Zinc bar are insane. They also have like this garden area, which is so, so nice. Went on the deck chair and got some pictures for my Instagram, which is cool. I really hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you in another one soon. I realised that I have lipstick right there. Also, a classic food that you need to try if you come to Amsterdam is the waffle. Tiny little waffles, and then they put like caramel and stuff inside. And they are so nice. So I recommend getting them. I just wanted to come on here and say about the lipstick because it's really annoying me, and I know someone will probably comment saying you've got lipstick all over your face.